Hi everyone, my name is Tejas and I'm with the Tech Pals. The Tech Pals is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We work with the City of Boulder to provide Chromebooks and technology education to senior citizens. Now, today I am going to talk about how you can migrate your old and outdated email provider over to a more modern option, Gmail. So, without further ado, let's get started. So why is Gmail the TechPal's top pick for email? Gmail provides a simple and clean email experience, no ads and no pop-ups. Gmail allows you to migrate your old email accounts directly to Gmail, and Gmail works amazingly on your laptops, tablets, and phones. Gmail provides good organization features, and Gmail looks way better than old email providers such as AOL, Juno, Lycos, Yahoo, Hotmail, Excite, and others. Now, if you have a Chromebook or an Android phone, which is a phone that is not made by Apple, you should be able to skip this step. If you do not, you might need to create a Google account, which we will demonstrate right here. So to create a Google account, open the browser on your device, whether that be Chrome, Safari, or any other browser, and open up to the website gmail.com. And click the button Create an account at the very top. Then type in your first and last name, your year of birth, and gender, and click create your own Gmail address and type in what you want to have before. Then create a password. Then type in your phone number. If you do not have a phone number, you cannot sign up for a Google account, as you need to confirm that you are not a robot in order to sign up for a Google account. Just go through all the steps, clicking I agree at the very end, and you will then see, after creating your account, the Google Gmail interface will appear on your screen. So let's talk about some of the basics of how to use Gmail. So to open up Gmail, open the browser and go to gmail.com. So this will lead you to the Gmail main interface. Now in Gmail, you can write emails, read emails, delete emails, organize emails, and do so much more. So let's talk about some of the basics of how to use Gmail. So let's start with how to write an email to someone. To write an email to someone, click the compose button and type in the name of the person you'd like to write the email to. Type in their email address. And type in the subject of the email. Now just click send to send the email once you finish typing it. Now what happens if there are emails in your inbox that you don't want to keep? Just like throwing real mail in the trash, you can throw email in the trash by clicking the little box next to each email you want to delete and clicking on the icon at the top that looks like a trash can. Now these conversations are no longer in your inbox, they are now in your trash. Now let's talk about labeling your emails. Labeling your emails helps you categorize your emails and keep them organized. To label your emails, click Create New Label next to the word labels. It looks like a plus, and type the name of the label. Then, to change the color, put your mouse over the label name, put your mouse over the 3 dots, and click on the color you want to choose. To move emails to the label, use the box next to the emails that you want to remove, just like you would with delete, but instead of the trash can, click on the icon that looks like a folder with an arrow in it. This will move your emails to the label if you click on the correct label. And so now, instead of being in your inbox cluttering things up, they are now inside your label where you can go read them later. Now that we've talked about some of the basics of using Gmail, what if you have an old email account that you would like to migrate over to Gmail? So this is possible for any email provider. For this example, we're going to show you how to do it with AOL. However, this procedure I'm about to show you works with every email provider. So this is our old email provider. And if we'd like to transfer this over to Gmail, go to Gmail and click on the cog wheel at the top right of the screen to access settings. Then click See All Settings, then click Accounts and Import at the very top of the screen before clicking Add a Mail Account under Check Mail from Other Accounts. Once you see this window, type in your email address. Then click Next. Then you will see 2 options: link accounts with Gmailify and import emails from my other account. If you see the option to link your account with Gmailify, click on it. If you don't, click on the other option. Since we see the option, we're going to use it. Click Next. And you will get access to it'll ask you to give access to your email. Click Agree. And it'll say you've been Gmailified. This means that you've officially moved all of your old email over to Gmail. This reduces the need to go to your old email provider by allowing you to send and receive emails using your old email address while using the modernized Gmail client. So now if we try to compose an email, we'll see an option From to select between your old email and your new email. So now that we've talked about some of the basics of using Gmail on your desktop, let's talk about how you can use Gmail more effectively on your phone. So on your phone, click on the Gmail app. If you don't have the Gmail app installed on your phone, you don't see the Gmail app, install the Gmail app as I am showing right here. Otherwise, open the Gmail app and click Take Me to Gmail underneath your Gmail email. It'll show like this. Once you do that, you will see your emails. You will see the option to compose an email by clicking on the compose button at the bottom right of your phone screen. Again, you'll see the from with the option to select your old email or your new email. You can type in your subject. You can send your email by clicking the little airplane icon at the top right of the screen. You can delete emails by going to an email and clicking delete, or by long pressing on the logo or icon of each email and clicking the trash. By long pressing on each email you would like to delete and clicking the delete button at the top right of the screen, the trash can, you can move stuff to inbox. You can move stuff to labels by going into your email, clicking the three dots and clicking change labels, clicking your label and clicking on inbox, clicking OK. This will put it inside your label and you can look at your email there for later, and you can do most of the important functionalities of your desktop Gmail right on your cell phone. So thanks everyone for watching this video. If you have any problems, please remember to reach out to us and we'll be happy to answer your questions. You can visit our website at thetechpals.org or call us with the number on our website. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you enjoy your day.